So this is our next stop off on this tour of interesting places in Sheffield. Now it's the world's oldest football ground, and it's here in Sheffield. So yeah, we're going to go and take a look. Who'd have thought it that Sheffield would have the world's oldest football ground? There you are, Sandygate, home of Hallam Football Club. Got the pay booth there, and then down to the ground. Blimey. That's incredible, isn't it? This is the oldest football ground in the world.
Amazing. Anywhere
in the world.
I didn't know that either.
Now, you've got the bar and sort of entertainment facilities in there, haven't you?
Yeah. Gotta have a beer when you're watching footy.
Got the stand down there. You can get your snacks from here. Lovely. The benches down there. And the stands. Should we have a seat? Shake you out.
Shake me out. Good.
So what do you think then?
Very cool, isn't it?
It is, isn't it? Brilliant.
Yeah.
Incredible history as well.
Mm.
We're gonna have to come and watch a game, aren't we?
Oh, definitely. Yeah.
I'll be honest, I don't follow football.
I'm a Wednesday fan.
I don't follow it at all. But this is cool. This is very interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, it's brilliant.
Yeah, so the ground has 250 seats. And a total capacity, from what I've read online, of 1,300. I nosy down this way. I like that. Gentlemen, no swearing, please.
That is good. Yeah.
Yeah, so the ground dates back to 1860. And as we've already mentioned, is the oldest in the world. Now, just inside the entrance, there's a display cabinet with some cups in there, and apparently one of them is older than the FA Cup.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Let's go in. So we've got a couple of Guinness World Record certificates up there. That one's for this being the oldest football ground in the world. And then we've got one over here for the oldest soccer trophy, which is the Uden Cup, won in 1867 by Hallam FC in Sheffield, which is in this cabinet just here. So the oldest football trophy in the world. Incredible. All right.
Cool.
Yeah, so at this very ground, the world's first inter-club football match was played, and that was on the 26th of December 1860. And the match was Hallam Football Club, which this is their ground, and they were playing Sheffield Football Club. whose ground at the moment is just near the Coach and Horses pub in Johnfield. So yeah, again, a lot of history at this little ground. Very interesting, that, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, brilliant.
Yeah, fantastic.
Love football.
Right, on to the next Sheffield site.